Hello friends, this is Dr. Aditi Jain and you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel ज्ञान वारिधि। आज की हमारी इस वीडियो में हम 23 जून 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट। आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वर्ल्ड हाइड्रोग्राफी डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड एवरी ईयर टू कमेमोरेट द वर्क ऑफ हाइड्रोग्राफर्स ऑन 21 जून। सो वर्ल्ड हाइड्रोग्राफी डे जो है हमारा वो 21 जून को सेलिब्रेट होता है। 21 जून को इंटरनेशनल योगा डे भी सेलिब्रेट होता है और साथ ही वर्ल्ड म्यूजिक डे भी सेलिब्रेट होता है। सो नाउ यू आर सपोज टू रिमेंबर 3 थिंग्स दैट आर बीइंग सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 21 जून एवरी ईयर। फर्स्ट इज इंटरनेशनल योगा डे, देन अदर वन इज वर्ल्ड म्यूजिक डे एंड थर्ड वन इज वर्ल्ड हाइड्रोग्राफी डे। Government has extended the waiver of Interstate Transmission System (ISTS) charges on transmission of electricity generated from solar and wind sources up to 30th June 2025. This date has been extended for the period of 2 years. Earlier it was 30th June 2023. NHRC has constituted 7-member committee to inquire into complaints of post-poll violence in which state? It is in West Bengal. Name the Minister of State for Education who has launched NIOS diploma course in yogic science recently. This is launched by Sanjay Dhotre, Minister of State for Education, Communications, Electronics and IT. According to a UN report, India received dash in foreign direct investment in 2030. India has received the amount of 64 billion US dollars. Tajinder Pal Singh Tuar, who has qualified for Tokyo Games, is associated with shot put. Tajinder Pal Singh Tuar is just 26 years old with an Asian and national record throw at Indian Grand Prix 4 in Patiala. He has qualified for Tokyo Olympics. Which state government has released guidelines for protecting students from sexual abuse? This is Tamil Nadu. Saksham COVID helpline for specially abled has been rolled out in which city? It is in Bengaluru. Karnataka's Deputy CM and State COVID Task Force Head Dr. C.N. Ashwath Narayan has rolled out this helpline. Through this, specially abled people can seek benefits of government welfare programs. Which union territory has taken several measures to preserve hubs from extinction? This union territory is Ladakh. It is the hub of hubs and it is taking several measures to preserve those hubs from extinction and promote it for socio-economic development of society. Governor of which state released postal cover brought out by India Post on the occasion of International Yoga Day? It has been done by Bishwa Bhushan Harichandan, the governor of Andhra Pradesh. Nicole Pashinyan, who is in news, is the Prime Minister of which country? He is the Prime Minister of Armenia. Who will interact with the participants of Toykathon 2021 via video conferencing on 24th June? This interaction will be carried on by our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. And here we should know something about Toykathon. What is this? It is an interministerial initiative organized by Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell with support of several ministries. Currently, India's toy market stands at around 1.5 billion USD, which primarily dominated by imported toys. Moreover, these toys do not represent Indian heritage, civilization and value system. So, Toykathon 2021 is an opportunity for students, teachers, startups and toy experts in India to submit their innovative toys, games, concept and win large number of prizes worth rupees 50 lakhs. Who became the first Indian woman batsman to score half centuries in both the innings of a test match? She is Shefali Verma. What was the theme of International Yoga Day 2021? It is Yoga for Well-being. Which mobile application was launched by PM Modi on the occasion of Yoga Day? This is M Yoga app that has been launched by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. This will provide many videos on yoga training and practice based on common yoga protocol in many languages. This has been developed by Ayush Ministry in collaboration with WHO. When was World Refugee Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 20th June. What was the theme of World Refugee Day 2021? It is Together We Heal, Learn and Shine. What is the rank of India in Sustainable Development Report 2021? It is 120th rank. First rank is of Finland with 85.90 scores and India is on 120th rank with 60.07 score. Which city of India has been declared the most livable in the Ease of Living Index? It is Bengaluru. Which judge of Indian origin was nominated to the Supreme Court of Canada? He is Mahmood Jamal. Google Pay launched a card tokenization initiative with which bank? It has launched this initiative with SBI Bank. आई होप ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोज़ एंड मेरे एफर्ट्स अच्छे लगते हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माई चैनल. थैंक यू.